If we want to claim income tax relief on pensions, we need to file the pension contributions on our Form 11. We go to Charges and Deductions and go all the way down here to Pension Contributions. The first thing you need to record is the source of income where the pension contributions are coming from, and they're coming from the trading income. We then need to input the total amount of contributions for the year. So in this particular example, it's a PRSA scheme. So I'm going to come all the way down here to section D, and where it says PRSA contributions paid directly by you, that's the self-employed person, to a pension provider, and I put in the 3,600 euros there. It also gives me an option. If after the year end, I want to pay a top up into my pension, and any amounts I pay between the 1st of January 2020 and the 31st of October 2020 can be inputted in here, and I'll get relief for it in 2020. Now, it's not just enough to put in the 3,600 euros pension contributions that I've made. I have to make sure that the full amount of those contributions are eligible for relief. So I come down here to the pension contributor relief, and Revenue have inputted a little calculator here, and this needs to be populated in order to update your pension payments. So when I go into pension relief, I come down to section B. Because I'm self-employed, it's my net relevant earnings. So my self-employed income is 66,581, and that's my tax adjusted profit figure. I again come down and take away my trade capital allowances. And if I've any other deductions like deeds of covenants or maintenance payment, I will have to include them here. I come down and click on calculate, and it's advising me that the maximum amount of contributions I can make based on my earnings and based on my age are 8,934 euros. I click on continue, and I go down, and I've made 3,600 euros worth of contributions. I'm entitled to relief of 8,934, so all of that 3,600 that I've paid is going to be eligible because it's under my maximum threshold of 8,934 euros. Similarly, if I had to have paid 10 grand contributions for the year, the max that would have been allowed or eligible for relief would have been 8,934.